In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link on PayPal. This process is essential for anyone looking to receive payments effortlessly through PayPal. And I'm excited to walk you through the steps. To start, you'll need to navigate to the PayPal homepage. You can do this by typing PayPal into your browser's search bar or by going directly to their website. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password to gain access to your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might be prompted to click on Get a WhatsApp text or Get a text, which will send you a verification code via text message. Enter this code to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, you will be taken to your PayPal homepage. This is your account's central hub where you can see your balance, recent transactions, and more. From here, find the Settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol in the top right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the Settings menu where all your account options are located. Now, while in Settings, locate the Account Options section. This is where you can manage information about your profile and personal details related to your PayPal account. Within this section, you will find various options. But for today, we are focused on setting up your unique payment link via paypal.me. Next, look for an option labeled paypal.me/username. This feature is specifically designed to make receiving payments easier by providing you with a personalized link. When you click on it, you can set up your own PayPal.me link. This personalized URL can consist of your name, business name, or any identifier you prefer, making it easy for others to remember and use. Once you've selected a unique and appropriate name for your link, confirm it, and just like that, your payment link is ready to use. Your PayPal.me link can now be shared with anyone, be it clients, friends, or family, allowing them to send you payments easily and directly. Simply share your link through email, messaging apps, or social media platforms as needed. And that's all there is to creating a payment link using PayPal. It's quite simple and a highly effective way to make receiving payments both streamlined and professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful PayPal tips and tricks.